Alright, so let's get started. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me. And let's start with our today's the first session on Oracle DBA, Oracle Database Administrator. Okay, let's start that. Just give me a minute. Let me set up everything. Okay, fine. So looks good. So okay, as I said earlier, like if you want to start your career into the database administration, especially in Oracle DBA or maybe in PostgreSQL also, you need to have a knowledge about two things. That is your SQL and the Linux. Okay, so if you have a knowledge about these two technologies, then it will be very easy for you to start the career into the database administration. And that is the reason when we have started this class, we started with Linux and SQL. So we completed our Linux and SQL, and I hope you people are comfortable with Linux and SQL now. So we have just given the quick brush up on Linux and SQL. But now it is the time to understand about the real thing. For that, you have started learning about this course, and today we are going to start about first lecture on Oracle Database Administration. So let me share my screen with all of you. But before that, can you just confirm me whether you guys can hear me properly, whether the voice is clear? All good? Any question, any problem? Everything is good? Voice is clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So let me share my screen and let's do that. So whenever you have any questions, okay, you can ask your questions also. So just allow me 2-3 minutes, and after that, if you have any questions regarding any like the topic that we are discussing, please let me know. We can discuss about that. Okay. So we are trying to understand about Oracle DBA. So today we will try to understand about what is the responsibility as a DBA, like what as a DBA, what we do. Um, why we are using a database administration? Because generally all your banking, all your healthcare, all your any sector, okay, any sector, financial sector, whether it is, so what they do, they store their data into the database only. So normally they prefer to use the Oracle database whenever you have some critical applications are there. For example, I don't go into the much technical, but I'll tell you the small example of our institute only. CRM application we are using. So what our salesperson will do, let's say this is a salesperson. He is using a CRM application. So in CRM application, he is entering your details like, okay, what is your first name? What is your last name? Which course you have enrolled? What is your fees? All those details he fill up into the application. So this is application, but application never hold the data. Application never hold the data. Whatever data which is inserted by the sales executive to the CRM application, that data gets stored under your database only. That data gets stored under your database only. So under this database, we are going to create a student table, and under that database, that student records are getting stored over here. Why we are using a CRM? Why we are not using the Excel? The main challenge with the Excel is there is a chances that someone may delete the Excel. CRM is coming with the multiple features, like as soon as you enroll, you'll get the email. We will also track like how much is our earning. So many things we can track within the CRM application. But CRM does not hold the data. All the data which you are storing under the CRM is going into the database only. Now we are talking about the Oracle database, because whenever you are talking about a database, Oracle is much powerful. Security wise, it is much better. Performance wise also it is much better. You have a multiple options to improve the performance of your Oracle database. And the most important part over here, whenever you are getting any issues, you can raise a ticket with the Oracle and they will provide you support. So what is my responsibility? When we see this, basically this small setup, I observe one thing, that someone is using a database. So my main responsibility as a Oracle DBA to ensure that the installation of Oracle database. So Oracle is coming with multiple version, like we have 7i, 8i, 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23 AI, and 26 AI also nowadays you can see, right? But right now in the market, the 19C is currently used by multiple databases. Okay, Oracle 19C is quite famous in the market as of now. That is the reason we are taking a training on Oracle 19C as of now. So first responsibility that we are going to learn is how to install the Oracle database. How to install Oracle database. The first responsibility that we are going to learn today, installation of Oracle 19C. That is the reason. Now if I want to install the Oracle database, we can install this Oracle database on multiple operating system. As I said, you can use this Oracle database on Linux operating system also. You can use this Oracle database on your Windows operating system also, right? Windows server. So there are different type of servers are there. Linux server, Windows servers are there. In Linux server, the very famous server is your Red Hat server. Some projects are using Red Hat server. Some projects are using Oracle Linux server. Okay. In our training, we are going to use Oracle Linux server. Okay. 7.9 version. 7.9. Windows we are not using. The main reason on Windows why we are not using, basically most of the project they are working, almost 95 or more than 95% projects are working on Linux operating system only. So that is the reason we are focusing on Linux. Again, the administration part on Windows or Linux, it is not going to be changed. It is like, same only. So if you know how to do the administration on Linux, you can easily do it on Windows operating system. But if you are doing it on Linux operating system, you should have a knowledge about Linux command, and that we already discussed in the previous classes. So what I will do, I need Oracle Linux. I need one Oracle Linux server, and then under that I am going to install our Oracle 19C database. I am going to install Oracle 19C database. But how to install the Oracle Linux, right? Because I already have a Windows, I cannot run Oracle Linux and Windows at a time. So for that we are going to use Oracle VirtualBox. What I'll do, I'm going to use Oracle VirtualBox. I'm going to use Oracle VirtualBox. What we will do, we are going to use Oracle VirtualBox. So this is the Oracle VirtualBox. By using this Oracle VirtualBox, you can run multiple operating system at a time. So if you want to run Red Hat Linux, if you want to run your Oracle Linux, you can use any operating system. Even Windows also you can install by using this Oracle VirtualBox. There is one more software is there. Instead of Oracle VirtualBox, you can use VMware Workstation also. But if you want to use VMware Workstation, you need to provide the key. Means you need to pay the license. Right now we are not in a phase to spend the money on license and all. We are here to learn the things, and that too completely free of cost. Again, the training is not completely free of cost, but at least the softwares that we are using, it should be free of cost. So we are going to use this Oracle VirtualBox, and then under that Oracle VirtualBox we are going to install our Oracle 19C. So this machine, what you see here, I have already lot of machines are there. All the machines are currently powered up. Why I'm not starting it? Because if these machines are running, it will consume your resources like CPU, memory, and your laptop will be slow. So we will do this. Okay, we will do this. Till now, whatever we discuss, is it clear, everyone? Can you please let me know? Everyone, whatever we discuss, is it clear? Any questions so far till now? Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, now let's do one thing. How to install the Oracle VirtualBox. So what I will do, I'll open my, let me go here, let me open the browser and just search here with download Oracle VirtualBox. Just search here and say download Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, just go to this, and here we have a multiple options, whether you want to install it on Windows, Mac. I'll go with the Windows operating system, and now it has started downloading over here. We have already used this Oracle VirtualBox, right? Where we are used? We use this in where? At the time of Ubuntu installation. So you can just double click on it. You can just double click on it, say next, 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 and it will be done. Right now, in my case, I am not going to install this Oracle VirtualBox because Oracle VirtualBox is already installed in my laptop. Okay, so I don't need to do that. So just double click on it and say next, 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 it will be done. And if you already have, you guys are not able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes.
आप लोगों को स्क्रीन ही नहीं दिख रहा इतने बड़े टाइम से? दिख रहा ना? ठीक है, ठीक है. Next, what I will do, I'll just close this because this is already installed in my laptop. If you are not able to see my screen, just rejoin again. Okay, sometimes there will be some issues with Zoom, so just reconnect. Okay. So it's already installed in my laptop, so I don't need to do that. Okay, now, so you can just click on the search and then search here with VirtualBox. Okay, and then if you click here, the VirtualBox will be opened. Now the next part is what I need to do. The next part is I need to install. Let me cancel this. Yes, finish. Okay, so this is the way your VirtualBox will be looking like. Maybe on your left hand side you will not see any maybe on your left hand side you will not see any operating system or any server, but it's okay. Okay, now what I will do, I'll do one thing. Now I need to have, let me here. First of all, since we need to install this server, we need to download the server now. See, right now I'm not focusing on database. Okay, I'm just focusing on this server only, this server. Which server we are using? We are going to use Oracle Linux. Okay, 7.9. Which database we are going to do in future? Oracle 19c. So first of all, I will download this. The first step is download and then install Oracle Enterprise Linux 7.9. First of all, download the setup and then we are going to install. How to download? Quite simple. You can go here. Just say there is a website called edelivery.oracle.com. You can go here. There is a website called edelivery.oracle.com. There is an option called create account. You can create account. So this is Oracle official website. You can go here and you can just fill up your basic details here, like your email address, password, retype password, all those basic details you can fill up here, and finally click on the create account. Once you click on the create account, you will get email on your email ID to confirm the email ID. So you just confirm it, and then once you confirm, your account will be getting created. Then what I will do, I'll just go to the sign in and same credentials I'll enter here. So I'll enter my credentials here, like I'll enter that, and then enter your password what you have typed. Acha, it is asking me to do the authentication. I'll do that. This is something new which has done. Earlier it was not there. Done. So I have authenticated. Now what I will do, I will just enter. You can just search it with Oracle Linux, and automatically in the drop down the Oracle Linux will come. I'm talking about what? I'm talking about operating system. So you just select this, click on continue, accept the license agreement, click on continue. Once you click on continue, okay, once you click on continue, then you can just download it. Click on continue, accept the license agreement, and you have a lot of ISOs are here, right? You don't need to download all those things. Just uncheck everything and just click on the first one, only first one. As soon as you click on the first one, it will start downloading over here. I'll just cancel it because in my laptop, remember this number 690-01. This is already downloaded in my laptop. It's already downloaded, so I will not download it again. But I'll tell you, I have already told you how to download the Oracle Linux 7.9. So downloading part is completed here. The downloading part is completed, and now it is a time to do the installation. How to do the installation? Open the VirtualBox, click on new. So you need to specify the name of your machine. So I'll mention like, I'll give the name like, let's say Jan Oracle, something like this. I'll give the name like Jan Oracle. You can just give the name like Oracle 19C. Now where you want to store your files, I'll click on the others. The VMware related files I'll store on my G drive. Wherever you have around 80 GB space is available, you can select that drive folder and just mention the name here. What is the name I want to give? I'll give the name like Oracle. I'll give the like Jan with Jan Oracle 19C VM. Acha. Can I select? Done. Now it is asking me where is my ISO. My ISO is available. The ISO which we just downloaded, means the Oracle Linux setup file. I have placed it in E drive. So I'll just select that. Wherever it is available in your case, maybe it is in download folder. You can just select that. Uncheck this. Now whenever you are installing any operating system, okay, for every operating system we need to allocate some resources, like we need to allocate the memory. When I say a memory, basically it is RAM. So how much memory you want to allocate to the server? So you can allocate around minimum, okay, I'm talking about the minimal. If you have 8 GB RAM, let's take an example. If you have 8 GB RAM, then you can allocate 4 GB or 4.5 GB. I will go with, so you need to allocate memory. Let's take an example 5 GB. You need to allocate the storage around 80 GB. You need to allocate the CPU 1 is also fine. I will allocate little more because I have enough resources are available. So I will allocate, if I go here, I will allocate 120 GB of storage, and then I will allocate 7500, means 7.5 GB of memory, and 4 CPU I can allocate. I will allocate more because I have enough spaces available, or I have enough resources are available in my laptop. Click on settings, then click on network, and I am going to allocate some IP address to this machine. So I'll allocate host only adapter, and second adapter I'm going to allocate bridge adapter. So what is this? So basically what happened, for every server what you are going to install, if you remember in Ubuntu also we have done the same thing. For every server what you are installing, we need to allocate some IP address to this server. What we need to do, we need to allocate some IP address. So what is the IP address of my machine? 192.168.56.50. Every server, if you want to connect, you can connect by using IP or by using host name. Here in this environment we are going to connect by using IP address. Second thing is we need internet under this machine, because we are going to install some packages related to the Oracle, related to the grid in future classes. So for that I need internet. So for IP address we need to allocate host only adapter, and for internet you need to allocate bridge adapter. Which adapter? Bridge. Even you can allocate NAT also, but bridge is fine. So what I will do, I'll go here. So first is host only adapter. This is for to allocate the IP address to my machine. Second one is for internet to my machine. Then one more thing, you go here and just use USB tablet. Sometimes the mouse will not work properly, so this setting will work perfectly. Then what you can do, you can just click on start, and now your installation is in progress. So till now what we have done, till now we have downloaded the Oracle Linux server ISO file. We have downloaded and installed Oracle VirtualBox. By using the Oracle VirtualBox, we have done the configurations. To the server we have allocated memory, CPU and storage, and we have allocated two adapter. One is for internet purpose, which is bridge adapter, and second one is host and adapter for what? For IP address. And now here my installation is in progress. So if I go here, I got the screen, and I'll do one thing. I'll go to the view, then I'll say scale mode, double click on it, and then click on install Oracle Linux 7.9. And now your installation of your server is in progress. The installation of your server is in progress. Till now whatever we discussed, able to understand everyone? Okay, if you are listening it for the first time and while you are doing it, maybe you will face the challenges, but don't worry, we have a support team, so you can ask to the support team while doing the installation. My suggestion to everyone is, please do the installation today only, try to complete it, so that it will be easy for you to do the practice. It will be easy for you to do the practice also. So try this installation guys on your laptop. Okay, so this will be really interesting. Okay, now it's opening. Just wait for some time, it will be open. Now what? Now it is asking like, what is the language of your server? Like, what language you guys are using for your server? So I'll go with like, okay, English language only. Continue. Now what is asking like, what is the date and time of your server? Whether your server is available on India, on US, wherever you are from, the same time zone you need to select. Okay, so I'll say date and time. I'll go with the India and click on done. Scroll down. So this screen will be little hang for some time. Have a patience. Okay, now click on the software selection, click on the server with GUI. I want this server to be installed in the GUI mode. Go to the right side, scroll it down and click on virtualization tools and compatibility libraries. Click on. Click on done. Now it is asking installation destination. Click on here. So basically I'm going to, what I'll do, I'm going to create a partition over here. Partition means, see, normally in Windows also we do the partition, like we do the partition like C drive, D drive, E drive. Why we are doing this? Because I want to store my separate file in separate drive. So I'll click on, I will configure partitioning. Click on done. And I'll create a first partition as boot partition. This boot partition. Normally whenever your operating system gets started, it required a boot memory. So that memory is very small, 512 MB. Click on plus, and we need to allocate a swap. Normally this swap memory is around, this swap is basically around your 1.5 times or 2 times of your RAM. So I will allocate 10 GB of swam. Even if you allocate little less, means maybe 7 GB, 8 GB, that is also fine. And third one basically your root partition. So all the things, means your Oracle database software, Oracle database related files, everything I'm going to store under your root partition. So these are the 3 partitions I have created. These two partitions are compulsory. In this partition my data will be stored related to the Oracle database. Click on done. Accept the changes. Now every server we are going to give some name, right? What is my name? What is the name of my database? Oh, not database. What is the name of my server? Click here. The name of my server is node1.learnomate.org. And I would request everyone to use the same server name. Don't use your name, nothing, anything different, because this server name is having a dependency on future classes. Whenever we are learning about the listener and any other different classes, there this is going to be really important. So use same server name, same password. Your structure and my structure should be 100% same to same. Don't use anything different. Click on apply and done. So everything is good. Just make sure that we have server with GUI here. Otherwise you will have a black screen only. The date and time, and click on begin installation. Whenever you are doing the Linux installation, any Linux, automatically the super user will be getting created with the name root, and I'll provide the password of root as root only, root and root. Again use the same password because you are going to switch a user multiple times. So don't use your very strong password. It will be difficult for you to manage, and many times my support team will also take your control. Click on done 2 times, and now your server installation is in progress. So this screen will be going for another 40-50 minutes like this. Make sure your laptop is open, it's running, like you can use the charger also, and your server will be installed. So in tomorrow's class we will see how to install the Oracle database in tomorrow's class. So once we have a server, we will configure the IP details and we will do the database installation. Once our database installation is ready, then you can start doing the practice. On your laptop. But remember, if you want to do the practice, and if you want to, definitely, practice makes very important. While listening the class, you will understand that, okay, I'm understanding everything. But when you do it, you'll face the challenges. And when you face the challenge, we have a support team available in the group. I am there. Take the screenshots, send it to the group. We will fix your issues. But don't ask, my suggestion will be always, try it yourself. First, try it yourself. You guys can use ChatGPT, the AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, all those you can use. Try it yourself. That will be really easy actually. The recording, you will get it today only. You will get it by 12 p.m. So my team will be logged in by 10 a.m. and the recording will also take a time 1 hour to 2 hours to convert. So by 12 p.m. you will get the recording. So every day you will get the recording, guys. Okay, don't worry about that. So you can do the practice, and support team is also available we have 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So we have all those things are there. What do we have to say it? Now, when you're working as a DBA, normally in Oracle DBA, you guys need to understand the boundary of DBA and other people. We as a DBA mainly responsible for the installation of database only. We are not going to do the installation of server. Server installation will be taken care by your server team. Server installation will be taken care by your platform team. These people are going to do the installation. In our class we are also, I'm talking about the Linux installation also, because when these people are doing the installation, your server team, they will take the suggestion from you also, like what all package you need to install, how much memory you want to allocate. Again, the amount of memory that I allocate now, you can increase it in future also, and you can increase the storage also, you can increase everything. So don't think that once I allocate I cannot increase that. So initially what we do, like initially we allocate less memory, but later on, as soon as your number of business is growing now, you can increase the memory also. So we can do that, we can do it on server level also, we can do it on database level also. So that is possible. Right now I'm using a root partition to store my database related files, but you can create a separate mount point also, like you can create /user1 /opt to store your database related files. You can do that. Okay, so generally what we do in the real-time production environment, we create a separate mount point, like /data /user1 or /opt, and under that you will store your database related files. What I will do in future, means tomorrow's class, I will create a directory also. I will not directly store everything into the root. I will create a directory like /user1. I'll create a directory like /data and all. We call it as a Oracle home. There I will store my database related files. So let's wait for one day. I'll show you how to create a directory structure for Oracle and all. There I will show you. Okay, so don't worry about that. Yes.
Answer.
Yes.
Actually, we need to advise the Linux team to get us some partitions, right?
They will do that, na. They will do. See, normally what happened, every project will go with some standard. Standard means they will set up a template kind of things, like okay, whenever I want to install my Oracle will be installed under this directory only. So they will create, let's say I have 100 servers are there, na. So normally all the 100 server will be same only. Why they follow the standard? Because it makes your life easy. So you consider that my Oracle home is available in one location, and in separate server my Oracle home is available in different location. It will be difficult for you to manage. So what they do, they create a kind of template saying like, okay, Oracle home will go into this directory only. These are the mount points I required whenever I want to install the Oracle database. So that template you guys can forward it to the Linux team. And normally, see, Linux people are not the new, they are also with you for the longer time. So they know like, okay, if you want to install the Linux for Oracle database, then the structure should be like this. Again, Linux is not only for Oracle, Linux is for everyone. Linux is used by multiple people, even your backup team, your Citrix team, everyone will use Linux. Okay, so that's the standard we maintain. Here also we are going to create a directory. In tomorrow's class, I will create a directory like /data app Oracle product 19cdb home, and then under that directory we are going to store our Oracle softwares. Tomorrow we will see that.
Any default templates are using in Oracle?
No, not like that. Okay, not like that.
Okay.
But most common directives people are using is /opt /user1 /data. These are like commonly you will see most of the time.
Yeah, that means /OTP means in Linux terms we can use the installation of any software.
You can do that. Tomorrow we will create that directory. Under / you can create that partition. Okay, any question, guys? Okay, let's do one thing. Let's connect tomorrow, same time, and we will complete the database installation. Okay, then we will see the Oracle database architecture. Okay, thank you. Let's guys.